Hi sewing friends, it's Alice Murray with Murr-Made Designs. Welcome to day 71 of 365 days of a fashion show where I am showing you garments that I have made. Let's see how far I can get. I got to day 71 anyways. So today what I want to show you is a new look. 6735, and you've seen this before. I've made this jacket a couple of times in different ways. I also have like the top and the pants I'll show you someday, but today what I'm going to show you is this cute little skirt and the jacket, which I made as a set. And I'll just show you the line drawings. It's, what do you call a dress like that? It's kind of flared out. The skirt is kind of flared. It's got panels. And the jacket has a tie. And this is my version. I just love how the skirt moves. That's kind of a great moving skirt. And the jacket, I added pockets, I added buttons, and I still have the tie. I am wearing my turtleneck from yesterday because I love it. Yeah, I think that's kind of a cute little outfit. This skirt kind of has a 40s vibe, I think. And I made it out of, it is a pattern for knits, and I made it out of a knit, and it has teal and blue and rust, kind of flowery things on it. I don't know if you'd actually call it a floral. I added buttons, orange buttons, and I don't know if you noticed, but none of the buttons match. I buy my buttons in bulk. I have a batch of bulk buttons. Say that 5 times fast. And they're all the same size, but they're all different. I think the ones on the pockets are the same though as each other. So I bet you didn't even notice that. So yeah, I think that's a cute little outfit. Where would a person wear an outfit like this? I'd love to hear. If I still worked, but I don't, I would wear it to work. And today, in my grateful thread, I just want to have a shout out to our little local Legion that works so hard to do things in the community, Remembrance Day services, and they have Friday night suppers, and now with how the world is right now, they've just been making suppers for people to pick up, but doing what they can to for the community and for the veterans, and I'm very grateful for that. And I know in many communities across Canada that there are legions doing that, so a shout out to all of them. So I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun. Thank you for joining me on day 71. Bye for now.